boat. We went through security to get on the boat. There was a line for the elevator. So some of us are walking up the steps to the top. Those were the pedestal stairs. Now we're on the skinny stairs to the crown. And there's a huge spiral staircase. Now we gotta go all the way up there. Alright, we are now in the crown of the Statue of Liberty. You can see out to Manhattan and stuff. We're at the crown, at the very middle of it. You can see Richmond. There's Manhattan. There's people down below, and we're at the crown. And this is the rest of the top of the crown. Looks like there's a bell there. And then looking out this way, the torch is there. Going down the tiny stairs again. Back down. Boys on the spiral staircase. We're at the pedestal. There's the New Jersey sign. And going the other way, New Jersey side, there's another island. And then there's port. Look at this handsome view at the base of the tallest statue in North America. America! All the way up in the crown. We're on the ship after a very, very, very long run. At the very front, departing from the statue. We're departing Ellis Island and on to Manhattan. There's a nice view.